Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18.3 stuck on update requested on iPhone. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable and fast internet connection. Try restarting your router or switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Solution number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, scroll up, click on Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds. Turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on General. On the General page, scroll up, click Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click Reset Network Setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.